Tanandi Bites. Today we are cooking vegetable rice. So here we have courgette, then we have some tomatoes, carrots, have dhania, ginger and garlic, and have my green pepper and some onions. So now we are going to cook. Are you ready? I bet you are. So we'll just go to the kitchen. Let's go. And I have my pre-cooked rice. There is it. Now I'm going to put the oil. I'm putting the oil. Now I'm going to put this there and switch on the gas now. So first things first, we just put the onions. Then next I put the ginger. Put the ginger and the garlic. Next, now we'll mix it up. I'm putting a pinch of salt because I already put some in my pre-cooked rice. That I think that's enough. Now we'll cover it and take a spoon and stir. Make sure it catches the oil. Stir. So now I'll put the spices. I'll put some pilau masala. I'll put some black pepper, but not a lot, a pinch. Then I'll put some mixed spices. Get it. Some mixed spices. A little bit. Now we'll mix it and make sure it catches all the spices. I'm stirring, make sure it catches the spices and the salt. So now I'm putting the tomato paste. Okay, so now I'll just mix. It is smooth. You can see how juicy it looks. Make sure it gets ready. Now we are going to leave it for some few minutes to get ready and the spices to mix, and then you can take it off from there. Now I'm putting the tomatoes.